Imagine this. You're walking down the street in Paris, Berlin, or Rome, and suddenly, without warning, the Earth stops spinning. Just for 5 seconds. What would actually happen to you, to Europe, and to our entire planet? Spoiler, it's a lot more dramatic than you think. The Earth rotates at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. Here in Europe, it's a bit slower, but still, we're all moving at more than 1,000 kilometers per hour without even feeling it. If that stops suddenly, well, let's just say seatbelts wouldn't help you here. In the exact moment Earth halts, everything that isn't nailed to the bedrock would keep moving. Cars, trees, oceans, even you, would suddenly lurch forward at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. For Europeans, that means cities from Lisbon to Warsaw would be torn apart by winds and debris moving faster than a commercial jet. Airplanes in the sky would fall. Trains, skyscrapers, and entire highways would rip apart. It would feel like the most violent crash imaginable, except happening everywhere at once. And then there's water. Europe's coastlines, the Mediterranean, the Atlantic, the North Sea, would face instant megatsunamis. Water would continue its momentum, racing eastward and flooding vast areas. Cities like Venice, Amsterdam, and Copenhagen would be gone within minutes. Even inland regions wouldn't be safe because rivers and lakes would also surge violently. But it wouldn't just be buildings and oceans. The atmosphere itself is spinning with the Earth. If the planet stops, the air doesn't. That means Europe would suddenly be blasted by hurricane-force winds, far stronger than anything ever recorded. Imagine winds so violent they could uproot forests in Germany or tear apart London in seconds. Now here's the twist. After 5 seconds, Earth starts spinning again. But those 5 seconds are enough to cause destruction on a continental scale. Millions of lives would be lost instantly. Power grids, transport, entire cities gone. And yet, Earth itself would keep orbiting the sun. Would humanity recover? Possibly. But Europe, as we know it, would be unrecognizable. So, should we worry? Thankfully, no. Physics says the Earth simply can't stop spinning like that. It would take unimaginable forces. But imagining these scenarios helps us understand just how fragile our world really is. We rely on this delicate balance of motion every second of our lives, even if we never feel it. So next time you look at the stars above Paris or the northern lights in Scandinavia, remember, you're standing on a planet hurtling through space, spinning gracefully. And maybe, just maybe, be grateful it never hits the pause button. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new along the way. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.